Perfect! Goal, not too bad. We need a golden one, people. Woo! But we still want red, that's good. Trying to get capture of the gold in here. Not turning out good. This fireworks is a waste of time. Yes! Now we just need a rainbow. Let's try to get a white goldish color. Which we just got, apparently. Let's see if we get another one.
I have so many friends here.
Woo! Man, this is living the life. Yes, this is just what we wanted, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try to get a blue one. Now let's try to get a purple. And some sort of other color. Try to get one of those. Man, what we wanted the last time. Let's get that purple and whatever color those. Oh, we just got! Oh my gosh! Ladies and gentlemen, this is as loud as it can go. Let's try to get a golden one now, which we just got apparently. Let's try to get a, I don't know, purple one, which we just got. Let's try to get a red. Let's try to get a red and purple, which we just got. Okay. I'm in a bad spot. This was the best place I ever recorded at. I don't know why I would. Woo! Woo! Try to get a green. Try to get a greenish. Try to get something green. Actually not. Let's just see what we get, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, which we just got. Oh my gosh, green. Okay. That's almost it for our video. When this place is over and they stop, we'll get over and I'll see you back in the next video if we're done. But we're not done yet. Maybe. Oh! About there. Try to get a purplish. Purple. Which we just got. Yes! Another purple, please. Yes! That wasn't a purple though. We did purple. Yes, we did it! Ladies and gentlemen, our next firework video is going to be by ourselves. I'm just recording on a phone right now. I just want to tell you guys. But Okay, let's see if they're done. And that was one of the final videos that we have done. And recording on my phone, I should probably start a YouTube channel soon. When I'm 10, I'll probably have a YouTube channel. And you'll see what I look like, which you're gonna see at the end of this video. When we're driving back to where we live. This trailer here, like there's a little trailer by us, it's so hard to make you guys see the fireworks. Let's try to make a reddish. Oh, we just got a reddish, purplish, or something like that. Oh my gosh, that was one of the best ones ever. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna put this on TV or something. Oh, my mom's probably gonna put it on her YouTube account, which is gonna be fun, so a lot of you guys can watch it. Try to get a golden, ladies and gentlemen. We just got a golden, which was trying to get a red sparkler, which we just got, red spark. Oh, red, total red. Man. Dog. I bet you guys are gonna love this. Like, you already love it, but it's kind of weird talking to a phone, but you're talking to a bunch of people, so it's not too bad. And it's not that weird. So I'm gonna show you guys myself, and it's very dark, so I don't think you can see me that well, but this is me. Hello? That's me. Hello? This is one of the longest fireworks videos I've ever done. And this is the first one I ever done, so that's kind of weird. And I'm watching my flipper now. Okay. I kind of want to show you guys this trailer that I'm talking about, but I can't really get it on the camera. I got so above that I can't get the trailer on the camera. All the trees are moving by me because it's so loud. There's so much smoke around me and you can barely hear me. Now it stopped. Woo! Best footage ever. And that's the people over there. You can kind of see them, but that's the people that are lighting them off. No, I don't. I think those are just people watching, but that's some of the crowd. Those aren't people doing the fireworks, but that's just some of the crowd. And we were coming towards us, I kind of heard some poppers, which was really exciting. And we were at this. I heard 2 poppers when we were at this place, and I got my mom's phone. And she's gonna post it on her YouTube account. And this is cool. I'm trying to show you guys the best I can. There's little sparks that are going down. Okay, it looks like they stopped. Nope. Man, you gotta believe this is cool, right, ladies and gentlemen? I say that a lot. You're gonna hear me saying that a lot of this video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My dad's sitting right next to me, and I'm like doing this at him. Like I'm shaking my head at him. I'm trying to get a golden. Look who we just got. Man, this. Whoa! Those are little sparks going down. When it lights the stuff inside it, like goes down like little sparks. Oh, and there's like clouds in the sky moving right there. Man, that was a big one. Let's see if we can get any more footage. Part of my video is really good when we got that greenish. And when we got that 2 goldens in a row, when we got 2 goldens, when we asked for them. But what I was trying to get was a red spark, and that when we just got it. So that's pretty much all we needed, but I'm going to show you guys a little bit more. I kind of sound like my cousin. Or my friend. Well, let's try to wish for some doubles. And that we just got before I even said that. Gosh. This is some of the best things that you can see ever. And I kind of missed that one. That one was great. Oh, we should have wished a double on that one. Oh, that was green sparks, yes. Just look at all the sparks falling down. Okay. Woo! That was awesome, bro. Best footage in the world. This video is made before 4th of July. And the name of this video is Boom Chicka Boom. That's the name of the video. Actually, I'm gonna come up with a new name for it. Dark of the Sparks. That's my new name for this video, Dark of the Sparks. And as you see, it's pretty dark out, but there's no stars. But there is fireworks. And I've been sitting here eating popcorn for a long time. And I just got a new bug bite on my back, probably. I'm kind of itchy. And there's bugs flying in our car right now. The hatch is open because my aunt is sitting in it. If you want to see her, she's right there. Dad, is that it?
Might be close.
And in case you didn't know, I'm trying to get my dad on camera. That's my dad. He looks huge, it's very dark. But that's my dad. And there's fireworks. So this video is very close to being done. Jeez, I'm gonna try to get a golden. Oh, which I just got. Oh my gosh. Let's try to get that spark ding ding ding. Oh, which we didn't get. Actually not. Let's not try to wish that. Because it's almost over and I think it's over. It's over. Maybe not. Is it over, Dad?
Close.
Oh, and you might see some sparks, like over by this field, like there's little sparks. So if you see some in the comments, tell me. Well, I don't have any comments, but I don't know. I don't have any. Oh, what's that little trailer thing? There's a trailer thing on the road. And if you want to see what the rocks look like here, it looks so weird. Like here's the rock. Here's like a rock that was from here. And in case you didn't know, I'm 6 years old and I love lizards. I'm probably going to make a lizard catching video soon. Man, I just missed that one. Oh no, in case you didn't know, I want to show you my mom. Here's my mom.
You like it? You don't like your brother.
And my brother looks like he's sleeping right now. He looks very cute. And I almost tripped when I was walking over there because it's so dusty with, like it's so hard to walk with all this gravel. Like these big ones, like this one, which is kind of on camera. This one. Ah! That's one that's probably gonna land near us. No, it's not gonna land near us. I was really scared for a second. It looks like it's really cool. It looks like a meteor. It looks like a meteor, kind of. Man, oh, and that's the trailer I was talking about. And that car, it's hard to make you see the fireworks with that in the way. And look at all the light near it, which is pretty cool. It makes it better for the camera, so there's a lot of light. It makes it better for the camera to see all the fireworks.
You need to get up to go on this side of us so that I'm looking at the yeah, and then let's do it.
I'm getting some good shots. Oh, and here's my dad recording. Hey, sketchy man. And there's flashlights over there, as you can see. There's flashlights. We're by some sort of tavern building. We're by like a tavern building. It's right there. You can kind of see it. I should have got full bright on. Like when it was kind of daytime, it was hard to show you. I didn't record yet, but if you want to see something cool, this is something you can barely see it on the camera because it's really dark. But this is something that was something that you could help catch some bugs. The best one ever. Oh, and here's some little ones that people are shutting off. Those ones, they're not as good as this video. That shook me. I don't know what that was, but that shook me. I didn't like it. Oh man. Good one. Brenda, don't press anything. Don't press anything. Now that's how it looks like, ladies and gentlemen. And it's the best thing ever. The best thing that you can see, obviously. It's so hard to talk to you guys. What? Can you hear me? It's awesome. That golden sparkler thing was like the best. I'm starting to be really smoky over there. And there was a firefly. Tell me if you see any flashes over there. Any flashes. What?
Go stand in front and do the picture.
So you guys, I think this is the best show. This looks so good, you know. On here's some lows. Yeah, we're looking
Turn around and have that take our picture. It's not working.
You didn't get a very good look there. I'm sorry. My dad was taking a picture of me. Tell me if you see any flashes over there. There should be lightning bugs all over this area, but they kind of die because of the smoke. But there is a couple of flashes over there. I've been seeing them when I've been showing you these fireworks. I'm trying to look for like a good one that's like golden and like yellowish. Yeah, but golden is kind of yellow. Those are some little ones, but these ones are the one we're supposed to like be focusing on. And these rocks, listen to them. Just listen to them. Like they barely make any noise. And my brother, I can't believe he was sleeping over this. No. I need to record this video. It only takes one saving space. Guys, I think this is where the video ends. Could you hold it and don't press anything? Just make the phone. Bye guys. Hope you see me next time.